Now for this one, we got two radicals we need to multiply. So there's a couple different ways you can do that. Alright, I think we should go ahead and multiply 6 and 12. Alright, 6 and 12 will give us, 6 times 12 is 72. And x times x is x squared. And so now we break this apart like we did with the other one, the other problems we did. So this would be the square root of 36 times 2 times x squared. The square root of 36 is 6. The square root of x squared is x, and the square root of 2. So 6x radical 2. Alright, for this slide here, again, I would do the same thing. I would combine everything. So 12 times 6 is 72. And then we have a cubed and a, that's a to the fourth, and b to the fifth, and b squared, that's b to the seventh. Alright, b to the seventh. So now the square root of 72 again is the square root of 36 times square root of 2, a to the square root of a to the fourth, and the square root of b to the seventh. Well, I'm going to break it apart as b to the 6, and then square root of b, because that's 7 right there. Alright. Anyway, this is 6. Remember, the square root of an even exponent, just cut it in half. So a squared, b to the 6, again, the square root of an even exponent, just cut it in half. So b cubed. And then we have the square root of 2b remaining. Alright. Alright, right here we have the cube root of negative 27x to the fifth. Well, the cube root of negative 27 is, negative 3. And then the cube root of x to the fifth, we need to break that apart though. We need to go to cube root of, so here, let me just backtrack real quick. So we'll go the cube root of negative 27. And then we'll do the cube root of x cubed, and then the cube root of x squared. Alright. So the cube root of x cubed, alright, it's the same. The exponent is the same. The index is the same as the exponent. Alright, so essentially that's x cubed to the 1/3. So power to a power. 1/3 times 3 is 1. So it's just x. So anyway, right here, the cube root of negative 27 is negative 3. Right here, that's just x. Alright. And then the cube root of x squared is the cube root of x squared. So there's our final answer right there. Now I got a couple problems I want you to try.